Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching ToyaJTV. Today I'm going to show you how to shampoo your braids. So I'm going to be using the Braids and Extensions collection. This is the Refresh Deep Conditioning Shampoo and the Nourish Moisturizing Conditioner. I'll be starting off with the Deep Cleansing Shampoo because that is going to help remove any buildup, product residue, and anything like that that's on the scalp. And I always like to start with a generous amount in my hand to help me get my lather up. And once you start shampooing, you want to focus on your scalp. You don't necessarily have to shampoo all the way to the end of the braids. You want to kind of focus on your scalp and then stop. You don't want to shampoo past where your hair length goes. All right, and the same goes for the conditioner. So I'm just using a generous amount and I'm gonna put it all over my braids where I know my real hair is. You don't want to go past the length of your real hair, because again, you don't care about the synthetic hair. You're just more focused on your hair. This will help soften it up and reduce any breakage or shedding that could occur while you have braids. After I rinse the shampoo and conditioner out, now I'm just going to simply towel dry my hair. These braids take a long time to dry, so you want to try to get as much water out as you possibly can. And then I'm going to add the leave-in conditioner. So I'm using the leave-in conditioner that's in the original collection with the black label, and I'm just going to simply spray it all over my hair. Again, I'm not going down the length of the braid, just simply stopping where I know my real hair stops. After that, I'm using the whipped honey foam wrap, and this is going to help if your hair gets a little frizzy after you shampoo. This will fix all of that. So I have my hair up in a bun because that's the best way for me to let it air dry, because again, the braids are still wet and they're gonna air dry, but if you leave them down, it'll take a while. So I like to put the foam wrap all over these braids, and then the key to that is to tie it up with your scarf. This is the Velcro wrap cap, and I'm gonna use that around the edges and the back, and then I'm gonna put my Bio Jones satin scarf on top of this. And what that will do is I'm going to leave that on there until my hair is completely dried, and then once it's completely dried, I will remove it and the frizz will be magically gone. Okay, so it's the next day and I am removing the scarf, and as you can see, there is no frizz, there are no flyaways, none of that. Y'all excuse that quote unquote baby hair in the back. I really need to give myself an edge up, but hey, give me some grace on that. But that is the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.